Hello, hi. My name is Farah Adisha Zulfa binti Suhaimi. My matric number is 24250195, and I want to talk about explain about the simple banking system. So first thing first is the meaning about the banking system. Is a banking system is a structure that allow to manage your money, such as transfer money, withdraw fund, making loan, and so on and so forth. The reason why we have to use a banking system is help to your security, to protect your banking system. Second, to convenient your transferring, and also the efficiency your account. Conclusion for the banking system is help the user to register successfully, can run without an error, and also the fund transfer, making loan, and so on and so forth have a correctly nothing error.
This is my simple banking system project using Java. The system consists of 5 classes like bank account, saving account, user, and bank. Each class has a specific responsibility, and together they demonstrate object-oriented programming concept. So the first one is a bank account.java. Bank account is the base class of the system. It represents a general bank account and contains basic banking operation. The content is in the banking account is a account ID or account number, account balance, method like deposit, withdraw, and get balance. The bank account class is the core class of the system. It stores basic account information such as account number and balance. It also provides basic banking functions like deposit and withdraw. Other account type will inherit from this account. Second is a saving account class. Saving account is a specific type of bank account that can earn interest. What is added in the saving account is an interest rate method to apply the interest. The saving account class extends the bank account class. This means it inherits all properties and methods from bank account. In addition, it introduces an interest rate. The add interest method increases the balance based on the interest rate. The third is a user class. A user represents a bank customer like user ID, username, and reference to a bank account. The user class represents a customer of the bank. Each user has an ID, a name, and a bank account. The user does not directly access the balance. Instead, the user performs actions like deposit and withdraw through the method. The next is a bank class. Bank class to manage user and account. And in a bank class, we have to add user and to assign account to user, and also to handle like deposit, withdraw, and transfer between a user. The banking class acts as the controller of the system. It manages user and their bank account. It also handles fund transfer by withdrawing money from one user and depositing it into another. This class connects all components together. And lastly, main.java. The main.java is where the program starts running. In main Java has a text user input like name, amount, interest rate. Create object like bank user and also the saving account. It's called method to perform the transaction and display the output. The main class is the entry point of the program. It handles user input and create or require object. If then call method from the bank user and account class. Finally, it displays the result of all the transactions. How all the classes work together. The system starts in the main class. The main class create a bank object. Users are created and added to the bank. Each user is assigned a saving account. Banking operations such as deposit, withdraw, interest calculation, and transfer are handled through the bank and bank account classes. Finally, the system displays the final account balance. In conclusion, this simple banking system demonstrated object-oriented programming principle using the Java. The system successfully handled account creation, transaction, interest calculation, and fund transfer. The system starts by creating two users. First is a user 1 ID. I'm gonna put 452. 452. Enter user 1 name. It's Raju. Enter user 2 ID 123. Name Rafi. Both users are successfully added to the banking system. The initial balance for saving account 600 ringgit. Enter interest rate 5. A saving account is created with an initial balance of 600. The interest rate is set to 5%. This saving account is linked to both users. Enter deposit amount for user 1 200 ringgit. Okay. User 1 is a Raju. Deposit 200 into the account. The deposit is successful and the account balance increase. Enter withdraw amount for user 1 is 30. User 1 withdraw 30 from the account. So with the withdraw is allowed because the balance is sufficient. Enter transfer amount from user 1 to user 2. User 1 to user 2. Limit. Withdraw interest. Interest 300 ringgit. The system apply interest to the saving account. The balance increase based on the 5% interest rate. This shows how saving account earn interest over time. User 1 transfer 20 to user 2. The amount is withdrawn from user 1 account and deposit into user 2 account. The transfer is completely successfully. This message confirms that the program runs successfully without any error. So, finally, the system displays the final balance. User 1 has a remaining balance of 150 after all transactions. User 2 have 3,620, which includes the transfer amount and interest. This output shows user creation, account setup, deposit, withdraw, interest calculation, and fund transfer. All banking operations were complete successfully and the final balance confirmed that the system works correctly.